Hi everybody, welcome to introduction of EMF motor, the most efficient synchronous torque motor. Today I would like to explain the advantages of EMF motor for extrusion application. As you know, extruders are used in many industries such as plastic, food, medical, wire and tube, and metal. EMF motor produces their motors with patented German technology which provides specific solutions for extruder manufacturers and users. The advantages of the motor are high energy efficiency, direct drive technology, no need for gearbox and or belt, no maintenance fee because the gearbox and belt systems are not used, easy to assembly with compact design, no need for water cooling, there isn't warming issue that it can be used in warm environment, smooth extruding process due to stable torque from 0 to nominal speed. Furthermore, to be able to do speed and torque control very precisely. Integrated truss bearing for axial load is standard in extruder motors. The differentiation between our patented motor principle and the existing torque motor is the pole number and the way how to achieve it. Our motors have high pole numbers such as 66 to 110 poles. The pole number is almost 3 times higher than standard torque motor. The high pole number allows great speed stability for precise extrusion, which is very important for medical halls, field, cable industries, and laboratory. Our motor has very smooth acceleration and deceleration during speed control. Our winding pole number, which is 6 to 10 poles, has not any influence on the motor pole number. This allows us to have a high efficiency at the full range of torque and speed, reducing cost and protecting the environment. For more information, please check our website, and if you have any question or request, please don't hesitate to contact us. We will be glad to add value to your business. Have a great day.